The government doesn't want farmers, but when you're doing something like we are today, Halloween charity tractor run is a pure prime example of farming communities getting together, doing good and showing everybody what we're about. I wish that politicians were watching footage like this to show how big a part of the community farms truly are. Right, so we're at the Halloween charity tractor run. Enjoy. Not only raising money, it gets the public involved with farming and it gets us out there doing some fun stuff. Because who doesn't love tractors? We're driving the very famous, YouTube famous, Massey 6S, and behind us is our 7.